my first experience working with MacLean was in the summer of 2011, just after my first year of university. I worked with the maintenance team where we swept the floors, took out the trash, all sorts of jobs all around the factory. As a kid, I'd never had a good grasp about what actually went on at the factory. The work that was being done, I knew that we were in underground mining. So being able to be on the factory floor, seeing all the rigs being assembled and built, it really made me realize the importance of the company to the community, but also to the mining industry, and just how special it is what we're doing here.
Growing up, I never thought I was going to work here, but MacLean Engineering had never been an opportunity that I could pursue living where I was, and the remote work of COVID actually made it something that was more plausible. And I was looking at leaving to go work for a climate tech startup, and my siblings and my dad kind of pulled me in with this enticement of technology and just how much I could be at the forefront of technology with automation, and it got me.
Growing up in California, we learned so many stories and experiences from our grandfather, and to be able to come into Collingwood and see firsthand the difference that he's made in the mining world and the mining industry, it's very inspiring. I had an amazing opportunity to work in Sudbury under our president, Stella Holloway, and I really got to learn a lot from her. So I do find that there's a purpose here. Working with my siblings, my extended family, it's been a great experience.
I think that we're building on that legacy by each taking on a piece that's very meaningful to us. Louis is obviously an engineer. You know, I work in the US. You know, Julia's on the marketing side, Jake's on the recycling side, and each of those different pieces I think is core to each person's personality. And I think that Grandpa really did what he was super passionate about, and he embodied that every single day. And he always taught us to do what we loved. And I think that that is the piece that we're really taking forward with us.
So Don started MacLean Engineering with, one piece of equipment similar to Don. Right now I'm working for the Haspack line. We have one product in the recycling division, and my goal is to continue adding to that product line that we could sell across the world.
When we're talking about this innovation and this growth towards being green and what that means and how we're part of that, it's something that we've been doing, and we're going to continue doing it.
Don started advancing in the BEV technology long before a lot of the other mining companies. And I believe we can continue forward with what he started.
We've been building BEVs. We've been trying to tackle these issues that are important to us for years. And now we've reached a point where we're saying, this isn't just something we were doing because it was in alignment with our values, it's an identity piece. And I think that's really important when you think about the legacy, because my grandpa, his identity was built around this little boy in Abitibi who wanted to make mining safer. And that was where we started. And my dad, he grew up in this environment of MacLean Engineering, and so he wanted to see that and take it global, and so he scaled it. And now it's G3. Now it's time for our generation to step in and say our identity is built around sustainability.